In this video, I'll introduce you to Windows PowerShell. Windows PowerShell is similar to the command prompt, but it's much more. PowerShell is an object-based command line interface, and to understand object-based, you have to first understand how other command line interpreters like the Windows command prompt and Linux or Unix shells work. They're text-based, so if you want to transfer data between commands, you pipe the output from one command to the next. In PowerShell, data is retrieved as .NET Framework objects, so it can gather data object properties and methods. It's built into Windows 7 and Server 2008, and every Windows version since, but you can download it and install it for earlier versions of Windows. The command to run PowerShell is PowerShell.exe. PowerShell is a task automation platform and scripting language and built on the .NET Framework. And it's a scripting engine DLL built into many hosts, most commonly PowerShell.exe and the PowerShell Integrated Scripting Environment, or ISE. PowerShell provides a massive amount of functionality for controlling the Windows environment. To call it robust would be a major understatement. And it provides users with a tool for simplifying system management. There are several tools in PowerShell that simplify and enhance the command line interface. Aliases, commandlets, executables, filters, functions, and scripts. And the PowerShell ISE, the Integrated Scripting Environment, is a graphical user interface that's used to create scripts without you needing to type several commands directly on the command line. It has its own command, PowerShell_ISE.exe. PowerShell was introduced in November 2006, and it was compatible with Windows XP, Windows Server 2003, and Windows Vista. In August 2016, Microsoft made PowerShell an open source and cross-platform solution. As for versions, PowerShell 1.0 was released in November 2006, and the major version PowerShell 5.0 was released in February 2016. It's the latest major version, and it comes pre-installed in Windows 10. It's also compatible with Windows Server 2016, Server 2008 R2, Server 2012 and 2012 R2, Windows 7 Service Pack 1, and Windows 8.1 Pro and Enterprise. PowerShell 5.1 was released on August 2, 2016, and was included with specific versions of Windows 10. It was later released 2 other versions. To access PowerShell, you can use the Start screen or the Search feature in Windows and begin typing PowerShell, which will provide a list of options. PowerShell should be the first result, and you can click the result or right-click it and choose to run it in different ways.